In this video, we are going to cover the 5 concepts in the topic of energy where all physics exam questions are centered around them. And we are going to cover them in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. The first concept is about energy transfer. When a force is exerted on an object, there is an energy transfer to the object. The object gains energy even though we cannot see the transfer of energy. So when we exert a force on any object, whether we are pushing a cart, lifting weights, or raising a pendulum, or compressing or pulling a spring, we are actually transferring energy to the object even though we cannot see it. The next important concept you need to know is that there are various types of energy. In particular, you need to know about kinetic and potential energy. All moving objects have kinetic energy, and any type of stored energy is potential energy. There are 3 types of potential energy: elastic potential energy, gravitational potential energy, and chemical potential energy. The energy you transfer to the sponge when you squeeze it is elastic energy. The energy you transfer to the ball when you throw it up is gravitational potential energy. The energy that is converted from the food we eat and stored in our body is chemical potential energy. The third concept is that energy can be converted. Kinetic energy can be converted to potential energy, and potential energy can be converted to kinetic energy. These energies can also be converted to heat and sound energies. So a bouncing ball will stop when its energies are lost to the surrounding as heat and sound energy. You will learn in the next video more details on the conversion of energies within a vibrating system, how the gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy and vice versa, and how these energies are also converted to heat and sound energy and lost to the surrounding. For now, let's look at the fourth important concept. That is, in physics, we define work to be done when there is a transfer of energy. We learned in the first concept that energy is transferred when we exert a force on the object. So the work done can be computed by multiplying the force by the distance moved by the object. Finally, the fifth important concept is the principle of conservation of energy. That is, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted. With these 5 concepts, you are now ready to try out exam questions to test yourself. Visit my website for more free physics video lessons and try out some questions to reinforce your understanding.